Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Tinder distance preferences. So I just tap on the Tinder application and I will just move in my profile icon, which is right bottom, and just move in the top right corner of gear icon. So after this I will a little bit scroll down to find maximum distance. So from here you will, by the finger you will just adjust it and set the miles. So just set the maximum distance of the miles, so which you set it, and the profile of users you can see about the near miles, which mile you will distance set. So I will just refresh it, my Tinder application, and just swipe right or left, and it will be shown the 15 miles away one user. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.